Hello viewers, today I will teach you Home tab. Home tab explained. It will be explained in a layman language. Very simple. After the training, you're able to do formatting of your text, editing of objects, text, anything that you want to do, adding color, any other thing that you want to do in this training. That is what you will learn in this Home tab. Okay, let's dive in. Let's dive into the training. All right, let's continue. Today we will deal with Home tab. In Home tab, what we usually do here is formatting and editing. The major work we usually do here is formatting and editing. So in formatting, this is the PowerPoint that I have already made, but I want to insert new slide so that we will be demonstrating something there. Okay, let me insert new slide. Okay, sorry. Insert new slide. New slide. Okay, so that is it. Look at what happened here. In this formatting, let us start with look at the first one. Look at there. You can this thing I did here, right click and insert new slide. This is what I've done so far in my training interface of PowerPoint. You can still do it here. You can insert slide, but in this case you cannot decide the one that you will insert. Is the one that is already in the format that you insert. But this one you can select any layout that you want. But the normal one we usually use is this. Okay, this one is in case of maybe you want to put only title in your work. You can put title in your work, only title in your work, introduction. Okay, then for this one, maybe you want to add maybe you want to add picture, table. Here you can add table in your work. You can add table in this side, then put title here, then put your light up here, depending on what you want. You see that we decide of what you want there. Okay, but in this one is also the same thing. All right, but let me use the normal one we know. Okay, for this one again, look at it. Let us like title. We are doing formatting now. Introduction. Introduction. Mind you, in any presentation, it's good that you use Calibra in your presentation. Okay, look at this place is called font style. Font style. This one is called font size. Okay, here we select Calibra. Some people used to use Tiny Loma or earlier Black. The correct one is Calibra. When you put it like this, you can bold it. I either put shadow here, text shadow. The normal size is 44 for title. Okay, then look at this page. This page means increase font size. Maybe you want to make it to be more large instead of using size, using font size. You can use this arrow here, the A, increase font size here to increase it, or you can reduce it with the smaller one. Okay, let us increase it small. All right, in this side now you can change the color. You can maybe you want to put this one I call, want to strike a line inside it. This is what you use to do that. Okay, this one is you want to change the case. Maybe you want to change it to sentence case. Let us remove this strike. You want to change it to lower case. You want to change it to, remind you, sentence case simply means that it will start the capital letter. It will start with the capital letter. The first word will start with it. But lower case means that all of them will be lower case, small letters. So we have capital letter, the one we usually use capital letter. Then we have other ones. Maybe we want to capitalize each word. Maybe we have something here. We want to capitalize each word. The number one we usually use for is introduction for titles. Okay, now look at this one again. Let's look at the coloring. Maybe font color. You can change the color here. Let's change the color, make you change the color dark red. Mind you, what you are changing here, what you put in bullet to make it stand out. So the next one is called bullets. For bullet, you only put bullets for in your what? In your subtitle. Okay. Here, let us select any subtitle we want to put here. Let's select something here. Let me copy some words. Look at this. You can copy from here, Control C, copy, click on copy or click on Control C on your keyboard. You can copy it, then you go to the thing we want to do, then paste it. Control V or your laptop or your keyboard, or you paste it here. Okay, now people doesn't know how to do bulletin. Mind, in anywhere you see full stop, that is where you put bullet. Assuming there is, that is assuming there is full stop here and there is full stop here again. Okay, what you do is to use your enter key on keyboard, press enter, it will enter here. Before then, I like formatting the bullet. This is where you put bullets. You come here under bullet, click on the arrow there, select the type of bullet that you want. Okay, when you select the type of bullet that you want, it's good that you format it according to the color you give to according to the color you give to the one of title. Look at this one. The color you give there, you give there is husband. You give there, you do the same thing. Okay, click OK. It will appear. Then for you to do the second one, you use the backspace key on the keyboard, go back, then click enter. It will enter again. Then for this one, you use enter key on keyboard, it will enter. What if you want to do another one, maybe you want to write another one, keep on pressing enter, it will be entering the same thing. So the title is usually centralized. This one is called centralized. So apart from using the normal bullet, symbol bullet, there is the number bullet too. You can use number bullet. Okay, not here. Control Z. Okay, intro. This one I got introduction. I made a mistake. Introduction. Okay, so here you can put a number bullet. Okay, you can highlight it, put number bullet. You can select any one you want, maybe ABCD. Okay, so now inside this one again, what we usually use, you can left click. This one is already in left adjustment. You can also do centralize. You can do the align left. This thing that is here is also the same thing that is here. Okay, you can use your cipher. This is the normal one we usually use for our work. This one is called column. Maybe you want to put column, two columns in your work. You can carry this one, you can highlight this. You want to Control C, you can paste it here, Control V. Okay, maybe you want to paste another 10, I want to put, and because you put two colon, you can start typing another 10 in this side because you two, but for your presentation it's good that you use one column. You can use as many column as you want, but one column is the best. Okay, so for this one is space. Maybe you want to give space to your work, you can space it out, you can space it. Then look at this page, that what we call text direction. If you click on it, you can change the direction of text that you want. Normal one is horizontal, but if you want to change it to this direction, but it's not normal, you usually use horizontal text direction. But if you click on the arrow of the text direction, okay, that is it. You can select the one that you want. Okay, then in this align text, that is what we have done here. Then convert to smart art. I have done this one in my training, how to convert all these tests to your smart art, find diagrams. But I will just teach you one. You want to watch the video, I will provide the link in the description section. Or even if I do not provide it, go to my YouTube, let me do that lecture, search for how to convert your text slide to smart visual diagram. You will watch the video, it's very interesting. Okay, so here I want to select, put this one in this style, that is it. You can select it, you can also format it highlight and format. You can format it by putting anything you want to put. It depends on what you want to design. Depending on what you want to design. Okay, here is shapes. I will click, I will format, I will teach this one when I'm clicking this, but in this shape, let me just put, since it's in the home section, you can select any shape that you want. Once you click on the shape, you select, okay, what out of arrow you can select anyone, but you usually teach it in the insert menu, insert tab, okay. Okay, you can select as many as, there are a lot of them, but this is most of it in insert training, okay. Okay, for this arrangement, okay, let's say maybe you have two shapes, maybe you have two shapes now. Want to arrange these two, want to group these two shapes, want to group the two shapes. What do you do? You look at the two shapes. I want to group two of them. Maybe I want to make another shapes. I want to make another shape out of this. Okay, let me bring this here. I want to group it. You go here. Once you click on one object, you hold your control key on the keyboard, you then hold it, the thing will change before you now click on the second object. Once you do that, then now go here, arrange, select group, it will group immediately. This one object is now like group object, okay. You want to ungroup it, you can do that by clicking on group. It will go and go, then click outside before you start selecting, it will ungroup, okay. Now what we call back, let me change the color of this one. You can change the color, let me change the color so that you understand what I want to, maybe I want to design another thing and I want this one to be under here, or maybe I want this shape to come up, I want this shape to come up here. What you do is you go to the center arrange, you say bring front. Yeah, this one is now front, this one is now at the back. You can still say maybe this thing they highlighted this one, you want this one to go at the back again, okay. You can say send to back, it will go to back, that is it. The other one again is that in this shape you can change color, you can change fill color, okay. You can change fill color, you can change outline color. This outline color, look at the outline color now. You want no color, no outline, it will change to no outline. But before then, let us check the weight of the outline. You can select the biggest weight, yes. Then you can put the fill color for the outline. Let's put the fill color. You can put the fill color. Then under this one, you can change the outline to be dotted outline, depending on what you are designing, okay. You can change it to, then this eyedropper, maybe you want to pick the color here, I want to pick this color, this eyedropper is just for you to picking color. I want to pick the color here and place it in the outline. Don't you see what is happening there? Okay, let's select outside now, then go to that shape again, get eyedropper. I want to pick the color in this one and put it in this one. You can achieve that by using eyedropper. You select it, then pick this thing and click, then you pick this one. Let's go back, you can do that, okay. Then you select what you want to select, is for you to pick any design, any color that you want to pick. That is what you usually use eyedropper to do, okay. So I have done weight, I have done this. For you to see, you can select different arrow, you can also select different arrow of your choice, okay. Then more outline, you can select more outline color, you can select any color, then you click what, okay, and it will come up, okay. Now for this one, future, we have done the, for this shape again, that what we call picture. You can select picture from online, then this one called gradient. You can mix color, maybe two or three color, you can mix it, that is called gradient. Then we have another one under fill, we have texture. You can select any texture of your choice. There are a lot of texture that you can use for your work. Maybe you are using design, there are a lot of texture that you can use. Then we have also more fill color that you can use. You can select any color, then click OK, it will come up in your work. So for the file and replace, maybe Find and replace simple mean maybe you are working with yeah, maybe let's use this slide to do that. File replace, maybe you want to replace something, you want to replace hand, this type of hand to normal simple hand. Okay, so I will come to this, click on replace. I will put find 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 what you put the type of hand that you want to, then this type, there's another type of hand. Okay, let me see if I get it in a start. Let me see if I will get it the hand, that type of hand. Okay, let me say replace all in this thing. Okay, okay, look at the hand here now. I click on insert. Okay, click close. Now what do you do? I want to replace it with, okay, the thing is not come here. Let's just use test. I want to replace and to into. Okay, then you now click on replace all. Okay, you close it, you close. But whenever you see and is now like this, is now into, this one is a mistake. Whenever you see and, all this place you see and is where into is, and it's is into now replace and. So that is it, how to replace. Then under home menu we have what we call fan. Maybe you are searching for word, maybe you are searching for, let's say you are searching for this, it will help you to find the word easily. Okay, then select, maybe you are certain object, you can select all. It will help you to select all whatever you are working with. Then if you are working with object, click on object. Let's go to this one. It will help you to select objects. It will help you to select, for this one, help you to select different objects. Okay, that, I think that is what all about home tab. That's all about home tab. Okay, now next training we will continue with insert tab. Okay, follow us. If you like this video, please don't forget to comment, like our video and subscribe for more videos. Share it so for other people to know about our channel. Thank you. See you in the next video.